Good day! On today's video we will fix a bonnet that doesn't want to open. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. Nothing more annoying than when you try to open the bonnet, it simply doesn't work, it doesn't open. But we're gonna fix that, we're gonna tense the cable. I will show it to you. And for this, we will open that cover. For this, normally here we've got some kind of clips that hide the screws. On mine I don't have it, but you remove them, there's three, one, two, another one on the other side of the steering wheel. And then you will see the screws. We'll remove that and we will fold that cover. Now that we have dropped that cover, we are able to pull that handle way further than normal, okay? And now at this stage your bonnet should open. So now let's fix the length of the cable. Now that we have the bonnet open, if you look below this, right under, we've got something to adjust the cable. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. For this you will use a spanner of 10, and if you got 2, that's even better. Okay, let me show you now. I hope you'll be able to see it. It's right here. So as you can see, there's something that we can adjust, but before we need to loosen the nut that's here. Okay, so in my case I will use a little bit of penetrating oil because it's very hard. Okay, so I will lubricate this and then loosen it a bit. It is now loose. That's great. So now to shorten the course of the cable, what I will have to do, you see that that nut that's on this side, I will have to loosen it as much as I can that way, okay, and then later tighten this one, and what that will do, normally that will shorten the cable, and then the bonnet should open normally after that. Now that it is adjusted, look, you pull it from the car and you can see if it works properly or not, and you will see if you need to adjust more or not. Okay, on my end it's great, so I will leave it like that. That's basically it. Your bonnet should be fixed by now and should be able to open nicely from the inside of the car. Okay, what would be nice as well would be to clean that area where it open. You remove the old grease and you place some fresh one, and that will be done. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.